In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the Godaddy banner from your website quickly and easily. This is a simple fix if you're using a WordPress site and you want to clean up your header, footer, or theme areas so your site looks more professional. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful WordPress tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your WordPress admin dashboard. You can do this by going to your website and logging into the WP admin area. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand menu and go to Appearance. From there, click Customize. This will open the WordPress customizer, where you can make visual changes to your site. Now, inside the customizer, check the different sections carefully. Depending on your theme, the Godaddy banner may be located in Footer, Header, or Theme options. Click into each relevant section and look for any promotional widget, message, or banner that says Godaddy. In some themes, this might be displayed as a branded footer message or a built-in promotional block. Once you find it, remove the Godaddy promotional widget or delete the banner content. If it's in a widget area, remove the widget entirely. If it's in a theme option, simply disable or turn off the promotional setting. Take your time and make sure you're removing the correct elements so you don't accidentally change anything else on your site. After the banner is removed, go back and double-check the preview to confirm that it's gone. This is important because the customizer usually shows you a live preview before anything is saved. If everything looks good, click Publish to save your changes. That will make the update live on your website right away, and that's it. Your Godaddy banner should now be removed from your site. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more WordPress tips, fixes, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.